The teams more fighting rather than looking to play. Difficult to escape from the duels, difficult to escape from the physical part of the match. Well, I hope that, of course, we can increase the level on the second half, on the second match, and see a more beautiful football match than we saw in the first one. And I say that because I think that as much as us, Mamelodi Sundowns, can make it the way we like it to be, of course, as much we take advantage out of it, and we have a clear intention to win the match, because we don't consider that having scored away and becoming from a draw away gives you that comfort, as if we had scored another goal and made another result, we could have got. So expectations of a tough match against a serious opponent. The level of matches every player and every coach wants to be involved in, and every fan wants to watch with a lot of emotions. And for sure it will be interesting to follow.